Brazil is stepping up its efforts to stabilize the value of the real. Officials are investigating 15 of the world's largest currency manipulation. They say the banks rigged foreign exchange rates to deter competition in a market that's worth nearly $3 trillion every year. The real has recently become the worst performing emerging markets currency. But despite all that, despite the devaluation, some economists say that Brazil's economy may be better in the long run. Paulo Cabral explains.
In this São Paulo deli, all handmade pasta is prepared with imported flour from Italy. But customers pay a premium for quality, and that premium gets wrong. The owner says he's more than double the year. He says he's a loose customer.
My prices, because we have a crisis here in Brazil, and I couldn't increase it, and I lost money a lot because of that. Basically, we need to pray to dollar decrease, because we don't have money to keep my company more 1 year.
Unlike Marco's pasta, many prices have risen steeply this year because the Brazilian real has gotten weaker. According to Moody's, the Brazilian currency lost a third of its value since September 2014 and may lose more in 2015. Year-on-year inflation rose from less than 6.5% in January to more than 8% in April. A rise in prices of products connected to the dollar is maybe the most visible impact of the US currency's appreciation, and it's also a big problem for countries with the US dollar. But economists say, on the other hand, it's bringing positive gains to Brazil's exporters. Much of this country's international trade is based on commodity exports. The appreciation of the US dollar helps to offset the drop in the prices of these products. This former Brazil's central bank director says the currency depreciation may be traumatic, but it's also necessary to rebalance the economy.
The valuation of the currency, the increase in the dollar value is more a solution than a problem itself. Doesn't mean that it doesn't have its negative impacts. We've seen some impacts on inflation. If some of the countries still have a large foreign currency denominated debt, this is going to create some problems, but by and large, I would say this is how we should expect the currencies to behave.
While a soaring dollar and a plunging real may help rebalance Brazil's overall economy, it's creating a roller coaster ride that small businesses like Pastifício Supreme may not survive. Paulo Cabral, CCTV, São Paulo.